Hello everyone, this is Rehana from TNO Early on Child and Family Center. I hope you all are doing well. I know that it must be challenging for you to keep your children busy at home. So that's why I'm here today to help and support you. And I am here to share with you two fun recipes that you can try with your children at home. And the fun part is that these are a transportation themed recipe. So the first one that I'm going to do, that is sailboat egg. Now we are making sailboat eggs out of egg and red pepper. You already can see that I already cut my red bell pepper in a triangle shape, and I already have cut the egg in half. You can see the bottom part I cut a little bit so that it can stand. So what I'm going to do, I hope you all can see, I'm going to place the red pepper on the top to make sailboat egg. So look at that. Does it look like to you a sailboat egg? Yeah, that's a great activity to do with your children, because sometimes I heard from the parents that my child does not want to try fruits or vegetable, or sometimes they don't like to try egg. Egg is a great source of protein, and it contains other minerals and vitamins. So this is a great and fun way to try with your children and get them involved in cooking activity, and also it will help them to try out fruits and vegetables too. So try with your children at home. They might will like it. So the next recipe that I'm going to try, that is apple curds. For this recipe, I'm using apples. You can see green apples and red apples, and grapes. So I'm using apple slices and grapes cut in half. You can see that grapes I cut in half. I'm using the grapes for wheels. That's why I cut in this way. And apples I cut in slices too, to create curds. So, and also you will need toothpicks. You will need to use toothpicks inserted into the apple slices to keep your wheels in place. So let's start. Now I'm going to insert toothpicks. You can see that. Does it look like a car? Yeah, it is. See how fun and creative idea of snack it is. And I'm going to make some spaces in between to add a little driver. So who is here today? I have Teddy Grahams. So I'm using the Teddy Grahams, but you can use animal crackers, anything you like as a driver if you desire. That is more fun to do. Look. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Look, isn't it fun? So I'm pretty sure your children will love to do this activity. See? I made the sailboat out of egg and red pepper, and I have made the apple cars out of red apple, green apple, and grapes, and graham crackers for the driver. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. This recipe will be great to try out with your children at home to keep them busy. Also, your children can help you prepare food. How they can do that? They can help you cutting grapes, apples with plastic knife. So make sure you're going to use the plastic knife if you are doing cooking activity with your children, because we always have to remember that when you are doing cooking activity with your children, there should not be any sharp objects or hot surface or any hot objects. So we have to keep the kitchen safe for our children while we are doing cooking activity. So, and then cooking is a great way for your children to learn many different skills too, you know that, such as reading, following direction, measuring. Getting involved in cooking help your child to develop fine motor skills, eye-hand coordination, even early concepts of math and science. So I will come back with more healthy recipe. So till then, eat healthy, do more exercise, stay positive, stay home, and stay safe. And also I would like to say that parents, keep watching videos on Facebook, on TNO Facebook page, and please leave your feedback, leave a comment, and then we would like to know what fun ideas or what kind of activities you are looking for, so that we can come back with more fun ideas or fun recipes to help you to stay home and spend time with your children more effectively. Thank you. Bye bye everyone. See you again.